Law School Zone is basically a platform, one-stop solution for the students. If you want to put it up ki sir, I am a SC category student, but I have a domicile of Assam. In which law colleges at a rank of 4323 where I will end up? It will going to tell you ki as per your domicile you will end up this, as per your category you will end up this. That is what is the prospects. Every parent, every student wants to know about it. But you can only check it up when you have a rank range. But the question is, sir, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा where I'm going to find the rank range? By this part. So this is as per CLAT 2025, as per the scores which we have got it for our students, which we have a proper data. So right now, we'll not talk about the exact rank and the score, but you should always know about, sir, what should be the range. So if somewhere last year ka data 96 and above student was there, he was or she was at a rank of near about 1 to 100. That means now you know your rank, you can go and check it up at Law School Zone by IMS. Okay. Then you say, sir, my score was around 95, 90 to 95. The rank would have landed up to 100 to 500. Okay. But you say, sir, my score is coming near about, this is, you can check it for today also. Sir, after watching the video of the live answer key analysis taken up by IMS mentors, you will going to check it up, sir, my score is coming around 82. What would be my rank range? It would be 2500 to 5000. Okay. So if I'm coming around 2300, 2400, where to go? Go to Law School Zone. Go for it, sign up, put up your details, okay, and then you put ki this is the rank which I'm expecting, and then you will going to get your particular expected college. Okay. So that is what you have to do. I hope everyone is understood and clear कि इससे मुझे एक range पता चलेगा, then उस range से I'll take it up over here and then I'll come to know कि which college is expected. ठीक है. But if someone is getting the lesser one, ki sir, I'm getting into 60, 70, 75, what to expect? So this is what you can expect for the next, almost like for the next 4-5 months. Tomorrow you have Christ entrance exam, 8th of December. Then you have ALET on 14th of December, which is on Sunday. Then SLAT is happening. I think everyone must have filled up all the forms related to that. 20 and 28, Saturday, Sunday. And then Maharashtra City, the tentative dates have been out. So this is what the 8th May ko exam is going to be there on Friday. So this is the expected exam. Sir, my scores are not very compelling and I'm not able to make it up to my dream college. Is there anything? Yes, there is too much to come for. And even the CUET exam is also going to be there, but the dates have not been out. But this is what is already being there for December. So you go for these exams also. Don't be disheartened. I understand that you have put up so much of efforts, but you are not able to get it up. But please don't be disheartened क्योंकि the scores are going to be out soon. आपको एक range पता चला है. On the basis of this, you know your expected where you land up. Then after the answer key is also out, then you will also come to know about what would be the final rank which you will going to get it up. Okay. So that is what is be there. Now the last thing to talk about it, the upcoming plan for this is, so you have already 5 days left. So today, relax first of all. Don't take too much stress. You saw the answer key, everything हो गया. Watch TV, eat good food and take proper sleep. क्योंकि सुबह से must have been lot of traveling, खूब इधर उधर आना जाना, mental stress हो गया. Take rest. ठीक है. From tomorrow onwards, first you go for कि ALET 2025 का जो paper था, you just go and have a mindset कि what were the prospective questions were there. You have already solved it, I know. But going for your ALET 2025 paper, my 150 question, 120 minutes में क्या questions पूछा गया था, my mindset to be clear. Then you go for ALET 2024. These two papers, please, in these next 5 days, it's not only about solving it in 2 hours or 90 minutes, because earlier it was 90 minutes, but to know about it, my mindset should be aligned with ALET. That is first thing. Okay, you understand that thing. Next, revise the concept. Don't be in a hurry what to do or what not to do. First, go through all the concepts which have been there, whether it is related with analytical, CLAT में कराई दिया है, ठीक है, हो ही गया है. Somewhere logical reasoning, then legal reasoning is also part of it. ठीक है, principal fact based questions are there. GK one liners, please go for it. तो वो सब चीजें उन concepts को पढ़ो and then you start practicing about that thing. तो इसीलिए for the next 2 days concepts, go for the paper and then start sectional practice. That is what solving is about. Then pick up, you must be having 1 or 2 mocks. If not, the link is there. Click on it. Go check the available mocks on the portal of IMS. Go for mocks. Do a proper analysis. 2 mocks, more than sufficient. If there are any sessions coming up for current affairs, it will be going to be told to you people on the Telegram and on the Instagram. So don't worry about it. It will going to be there. Then what is most important is the sectional time frame, because right now we have solved questions 120 question 120 minutes, too much of reading. इसमें भी रीडिंग है बट द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन इंक्रीज. माई प्रॉपर प्लानिंग, अब इसमें अटेम्प्ट्स का खेल यहाँ पे हो जाता है. 128 130 attempts if students is able to go for A-Lit, then it becomes an easy work for them. And the last one is your revision has to be there. So revision is, again, you know that if there are 70-80 topics which I need to go for it, those questions should be done in the repeat mode for the next 4 days. So current affairs, solving 2 mocks in the entire 1 week in the previous 2 years paper of A-Late 2025, A-Late 2024. If you guys don't find any of the sources, please drop into the comments and let us know. We will help you with that also. So don't worry about it. And that's it from my end. Thank you so much, guys. I know there is too much. बहुत ज़्यादा overwhelming हो गया है. Some may be very happy, some may be stressed, some may be happy but a mixed feeling. But don't worry, guys. At the end, just remember, whatever fight you have done, whatever practice and whatever efforts you have given it up, at the end of the day, you will be a lawyer. You will going to be a lawyer from a national law college or from a university based out in your city. That is not going to be the key factor at the end, because at the end it will be you are a lawyer, and how much you take that profession wholeheartedly, that is what is going to matter. Okay, so keep this in mind. Don't be sad, don't be too happy. There is a long journey to go. There are multiple entrance exams going to come, because ये सब entrance exams से भी you will end up into very good college, top 30, top 40 colleges में you will end up. Until then, don't worry, we are there. Siddhant sir is there, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Siddhant sir signing off. We'll meet soon again.